Want to create an AI version of your own voice? ElevenLabs makes it possible to clone your voice and use it for voiceovers, videos, podcasts, and other projects. The process is surprisingly simple, and once your voice is ready, you can generate speech from text in just a few clicks. In this guide, I'll show you how to clone your voice in ElevenLabs in 2026. First, open ElevenLabs and sign in to your account. If you're new to the platform, create an account and complete the setup process. Once you're inside the dashboard, navigate to the Voices section. This is where you'll find options for creating and managing custom voices. Next, select the option to add or create a new voice. Then choose the voice cloning feature available on your account. Now upload a clear recording of your voice. For the best results, use high-quality audio with minimal background noise. Longer and cleaner recordings usually produce more accurate voice clones. After uploading the sample, enter a name for your voice and start the cloning process. ElevenLabs will analyze the recording and create a digital version of your voice. Once the voice is ready, open the text-to-speech tool and select your clone voice. Type a short script and generate speech to hear how it sounds. If needed, upload additional recordings or adjust settings to improve the results. When you're satisfied, you can start using your clone voice in voiceovers, videos, presentations, and other projects, and that's how to clone your voice in ElevenLabs. With a good quality recording and a few minutes of setup, you can create an AI voice that sounds remarkably similar to your own. So experiment with different recordings and settings to get the best possible result. Thanks for watching.